Thursdays became this thing where I went to see Phil. Phil was a Baltimore County liquor board judge. I would go see him. We would discuss business about any accounts coming up for sale that he'd know about prior to anybody else knowing about. And we would give him money to get the information. So I'd go over on Thursdays and we'd talk shop, and then we became close friends over time. And we talk about everything. So this particular day I'm over there, I'm 6 months in. And the whole time we're talking, there's a shoebox on the table. And I just kind of would glance down. I didn't know what it was there for. So we're talking. He said, he's known Sonny 20 years. And he goes, Sonny's, you can make a lot of money, but you got to watch yourself. You got to watch your back. Sonny likes to fuck people over. I'm getting ready to leave, and he slides his shoebox over to me. And he said, this is for you. And I'm thinking, like, why does he give me a fucking pair of shoes? He wears size 14 shoes. So I slide the box over, and he wants me to open it up. I open it up. Inside was a black Revolver 22 with an ankle holster. And I'm like, what's this for? Just in case.